May I request Advocate Pooja Dilip Patil Bankar, a member of the bar, a social media influencer, to kindly address this esteemed gathering.
Respected Honorable the Chief Justice of India, Shri Bhushan Gavai sir, Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court of India and of the High Courts, both on and off the dais, all equally respected members discharging their judicial administrative functions, respected Advocate General Shri Birendra Saraf sir, respected Additional Solicitor General Shri Anil Singh sir, respected Chairman of the Bar Council Shri Vittal Konde Deshmukh sir, the brave representative of our Defence Forces, Lieutenant General Pawan Chadda sir, bearer of the Sena and Vishishta Seva Medal, respected President Shri Prashant Relekar sir, all of the respected dignitaries, my colleagues, esteemed members of the electronic and print media, ladies and gentlemen. I am Advocate Pooja Dilip Patil Bankar, a proud member of this esteemed bar. It is both a great honor and deep humility to speak in this hallowed hall amidst the galaxy of intellectuals, protectors of our constitution and defenders of our nation. Yes, we've gathered here today as lawyers and advocates, but first, we are Indians. And as Indians, we owe the society more than just our acts of advocacy. This day is just another special day for us. It is a moment to reflect and ask this question to ourselves. As a nation, what do we owe to those who serve us, who protect us, and whom must we never forget? Today, we are in the presence of the two sacred pillars of India, the judiciary and the defense forces. Both these pillars, the judiciary and the defense, are united by one common thought: to serve, to protect, and to dedicate their lives for this beautiful, inclusive, secular, and diverse country. Together, these two forces, the sword and the scale, make our country, India, unstoppable. But as India keeps rising to new heights, the enemies of peace keep attacking and finding their ways to bog us down. We got to remember what happened in Siachen, in Pulwama, in Uri, and now in Pahalgam. The recent Pahalgam attack was not just a tragedy, it was a calculated strike. Once again, Kashmir, our crown, our Atma, and the entire nation was soaked in grief. Many of our innocent Kashmiri brothers and sisters had to face the heat. But let us not be mistaken. These are not isolated attacks, but these are deliberate attempts to fracture our unity, stir fear, sow communal hatred, and weaken the spirit of India. But every time they strike, they forget. Ye sheron ka watan hai. This land is protected by lions. Our soldiers don't just guard borders. They bleed so that we can breathe. And they've proven it each time with a chest full of pride. They're ready to sacrifice their lives without thinking twice and exterminate every threat that tries to mess with Bharat. We see this and we do not take it for granted. Dear respected Defence Forces of India, your service cannot be measured monetarily, but to show a gratitude towards the unending sacrifices our brothers and sisters of the Defence Forces have made for us, the Advocates Association of the Western India, under the leadership of our President, Shri Prashant Relekar sir, Secretary Shri Suresh Sabraj sir, and all esteemed members are proud to contribute a heartfelt token of 11 lakh rupees to our Defence Forces. Let me say this is not just a check, it's a salute, a promise, and a symbol of unshakable gratitude that we have towards our defense system. इस मौके पर मैंने कुछ शब्द लिखे हैं जो मैं हमारे जांबाज जवानों के लिए समर्पित करना चाहती हूँ। जब हम नींद में होते हैं, वो जागते हैं। जब हम जागते हैं, वो खून बहाते हैं। जब हम सुरक्षित महसूस करते हैं, तब वो सरहद पर मौत को हर दिन मात देते हैं। उनका नाम अखबारों में नहीं, पर उनके बलिदान से देश का हर नक्शा रंगीन होता है। वो सिर्फ सैनिक नहीं, वो चलती फिरती तिरंगे की सांसें होते हैं। For those who give us the confidence that we are safe no matter what, and for those who make each one of us proud to say that I am an Indian. I urge everyone, not formally but from my heart, every single person in this room, to give them, our defense forces, a thunderous, roaring applause. Thank you. The energy in this hallowed hall proves our sense of gratitude and respect towards every member of our defense forces. Let this be more than just a gesture. We, the Advocates Association of Western India, wish to transfer love, honor, and national gratitude. Hence, I invite our President, Shri Prashant Rekar sir, to hand over the check, a token of gratitude that we have for our defense forces, to our Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri Bhushan Gavai sir. I request Lieutenant General Pawan Chadha sir to kindly grace us on the dais. Now I invite Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri Bhushan Gavai sir, to present the check to Lieutenant General Pawan Chadha sir, bearer of the Sena and the Vishish Seva Medal, our honored guest representing each and every soldier of our country. Please give them a huge round of applause.
ये मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
We thank each and every member of the defense forces to serve and protect us no matter what. On a personal note, this is one of the moments which will be etched in my core memory, as to be standing before one of the highest and the most respected authorities of India and to pay respect to our brave defense forces who make us proud. I'm truly grateful for this honor. I'm Advocate Pooja Dilip Patil, bowing gratitude and pride. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
What a wonderful initiative. Thank you, Advocate Pooja.